Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. First you will need to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by tapping on it, for example. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up or down on the screen to open the list of glances. And that's how this list looks, and we have different things like sunset, steps, intensity minutes, heart rates and stuff like that. By default, you won't see calories here, and we need to add it basically. And to do it, you need to scroll down, tap on edit, scroll all the way down again, tap on add, and here let's go back, tap on add. Okay, and here on the list of add more, you should see the calories. You can tap on the plus button to add it, and then you can go back by pressing the back button, and the calories will be added to the list. You can also tap on them now and move them to the place you want them to be, because you can basically reorganize the list. And once you're done, you can press the back button. For some reason, I can move the, okay, so the screen is a bit wonky, I believe. The touch screen. Yeah, something is wrong with this. Anyway, you can move it. For some reason, I can't move it past the 2. Oh, you need to press and hold it. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, so you can move it to through the list, place it in the place you want it to be in, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And then you can press the back button. And now, when you open the glances menu and scroll through it, the heart rate should be on the list. Or rather, not the heart rate, but the calories should be on the list. And you have the progression bar. You can tap on it to see more detailed information. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check this info on the phone. So we can bring the phone that is paired with our watch, wake up the screen, unlock it. Okay, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, I have two Garmin applications. We have the Golf app and the Garmin Connect. Because the Garmin Golf is required to connect the watch to the phone and use the golf stuff, like basically you can track your course and stuff like that. This is for the golf only. And if you want to see the health stat, I believe you need to use the Garmin Connect application. So if you want to track the health stuff also with your watch, you will need to install the Garmin Connect. And once you install it, you can open it. And here you can scroll down and see if you have the calories right here at the glance. We have some right here. We can tap on this window, but you can also tap on more health stats and calories. And here we have the detailed information about the calories burned. And we have daily, weekly, 4 weeks, and 1 year progression. So you can track it and see more detailed information in the app. Okay, and that's how you track the amount of calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.